Welcome, students. How are you today? I hope you're fine and in good health. This is our English class online. I'm your teacher, Teacher Glean. Let's review what we have learned last week. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Okay, let's start. So we have learned about the following questions. Number one, where are you from? Number two, what's the time, please? Number three, what time do you? So these are the questions that we have answered last week. But before that, let's review these words. United Kingdom, USA, Spain, China, Thailand, and the words here that is used in question, the action. Get up, have breakfast, go to school, go home, have dinner, go to bed. And then you have the third is the time. 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So these are just example of the time, okay? Now, we will answer these questions. I know you can answer. I will no longer answer it. You will answer alone, okay? As a review, where are you from? Okay, you have the option here, how you answer this question. Let's answer the second question. What's the time, please? Okay, so this is the long answer, but you can also answer it's 5 o'clock, it's 6 o'clock, it's 7 o'clock. Okay, good. Now let's answer the third question. What time do you get up? I get up at 5 o'clock. I know you can answer this already, so I will no longer answer, okay? What time do you have breakfast? Very good. What time do you go to school? Excellent. So continuation of our questions. What time do you go home? Very good. What time do you have dinner? Excellent. What time do you go to bed? Amazing. Okay. Now today, we will learn about two questions in part one of conversation two. Okay. So these are the question. Number one, can I have? And you have here the thing that is provided in this lesson. Can I borrow your? Okay, so you have also the thing. Okay, so I will be giving you the vocabularies. Okay, the words that are used in the question. You have pencil, eraser, ruler, glue, and radio. Okay, so those are the words that are being used in the question. So these are vocabularies, and these are the answer. You can just choose. So you have the option here for the yes and for the no. You can just say, here you are. So you are giving the thing. Or you can say, yes, you can. Or no, you can't. No, sorry. Okay. Now let's go to answer these questions. Can I have a pencil? Yes, you can. Okay, you can answer like that. Okay. Can can I have an eraser? No, sorry. Can I have a ruler? Here you are. Like that. Okay, so you can answer like that. Can I have a glue? No, you can't. Can I have a radio? No, sorry. So that's how you answer these questions. Now it's your turn. I will be asking and you answer this question. Can I have a pencil? Great. Can I have an eraser? Good. Can I have a ruler? Very good. Can I have a glue? Excellent. Can I have a radio? Wow, amazing. So you can answer now the question, okay? Now let's go with the second question. Can I borrow your? So you have here the vocabularies. The same answer. You can just choose here you are or no, you can't. No, sorry, or yes, you can. So you have the option. Can I borrow your pencil? No, sorry. Can I borrow your eraser? Yes, you can. Can I borrow your ruler? No, you can't. Can I borrow your glue? Here you are. Can I borrow your radio? No, sorry. Okay, now it's your turn to answer, okay? Okay. Can I borrow your pencil? Very good. Can I borrow your eraser? Excellent. Can I borrow your ruler? Very good. Can I borrow your glue? Good. Can I borrow your radio? Wow, amazing. You've got it. Okay, now that's all for today. Students, thank you for listening and watching this video. Goodbye. See you again next week.